Hey everybody, this is Alan Hensley and this is video number 9 in my 10-part series on the 10 ways to prioritize how you save. Step number 9 is definitely not going to apply to everybody, but step number 9 is putting money into a college savings 529 plan. So 529s are specifically set up for higher education savings. But with recent changes to tax laws, they actually can be used before college with very specific rules around how you use it. So these education savings plans, 529s, are really a great way to save for a child's education. If you're planning on putting money into a 529, you don't have to have the child to do it. And what I mean by that is, if you're hoping to have a family in the near future, but you just don't have any kids yet, you can actually open a 529 in your name, and then when the child is born, you can transfer it over to the kid's name. Or putting money into a 529 early might be a great way to get a head start on saving for college. This, again, isn't going to apply to everyone, but if you are thinking about it someday, just know that you can open a 529 even before the kid is born. So this is video number 9. Again, I hope you found these videos really helpful. There's one more left. Hopefully you stick around. Thanks so much.